जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार हमको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए कि सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है।
नितेश नंद कुमार वर्सेस सिकंदर अजीज पटेल। This is a case of 2002. चलो इसे लिखो। A composite tenancy is a tenancy for mixed purposes. Is a tenancy for mixed purposes. In this type, the premises are let out. The premises are let out for mixed purposes. For mixed purposes. It is difficult to divide or demarcate. It is difficult to divide or demarcate the property separately. The two diverse purposes are so blended. The two diverse purposes are so blended or mixed that they cannot be separated. By directing the premises, by dissecting, not directing, by dissecting. By dissecting the premises into compartments. ठीक है, पहला चेंज करो। इंटीग्रेटेड tenancy on the other hand is a single tenancy for dual purposes. DUAL, dual. The premises are clearly demarcated. Or divided with respect to the purpose for which they will be separately used. ठीक है, इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट याद रखना, लीज। ठीक है, for which they will be separately used.
Subscribe for more content.